Guys, just have a look. You cannot make this up. Look at the bed. Look at the pigeon. Wow, that is fabulous. Wow. And look at this bed. Oh my God. Sitting right on the fountain. It's getting cool. That is cool. Guys, can you believe this? Look at this bed. When it goes away, another one will come there. They are swapping turns. Oh, look at it, guys. Still there, it's not going away. Wow, this is good, guys. Guys, you can follow me on YouTube for more. Subscribe to this channel. This is what you see on this channel, guys. It's absolutely magic. Okay, guys, for now, thank you.